Good morning, YouTube. Here we are today, friends and subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also hit the notification button. You'll get to see what I'm up to and what I'm doing. You'll be notified. Today, I'm fixing a problem with this car. I don't necessarily say a problem, but I think the gentleman built it, was thinking automatic, and he didn't put enough room for a clutch, brake, and gas pedal. I'm not sure his whole plan, but this is to finish up and get it into my plan. And my plan is this right here. I'm going to cut this whole floorboard out and rebuild it, give me some more room so that I can actually put a clutch, brake, and a gas pedal. As you can see now, there's not much room. While I was waiting on some parts, I got started on to the wiring of this car. And this is a fun project. And of course, you know how I am. I'll drive them a while and play with them a while. And of course, it'll be for sale. If you want you a rat rod and you want one done right, contact me. Stay tuned.